If you go to Amazon's website, Amazon says you have to use the STAR framework to answer all the behavioral kind of questions. So Amazon आपको सामने से बोलता है before appearing for the interview, it wants you to give all answers this way. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel All Sorted. This video is going to be about MBA interviews, how to convert the calls that you'll get, and one technique that is brilliant and that will help you immensely, that has helped many MBA aspirants convert their interview calls. Remember, 10 आपको कॉल आएंगे, 10 बच्चों को बुलाएंगे तो उसमें से 2 ही कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So what is this one technique that will help you answer all the questions? It's a very powerful framework, STAR framework, that I'm going to discuss in this video. How you can implement this, how using this technique will help you give structured answers and a different kind of impression in your interviews. We'll give you examples, real life examples of a software engineer and a fresher. Software engineer जिसको 2 साल का experience है, he is going for the interview, how he should or he or she should answer the questions, versus a fresher also. And one powerful framework that is the intent of this video. तो ये आपको summer internship में भी काम आएगा, कोई भी job interview है उसमें भी काम आएगा. So watch this video till the end. Subscribe to the channel to not miss such videos. Example of a normal interview versus a STAR interview. STAR interview is basically someone who will use this STAR framework: situation, task, action and result. Situation, task, action and result. You have to use this chronology while answering the questions during your interview, any of the interview. Now we'll see, we'll have a look, observe, अच्छे से observe करना, and आपको भी समझ में आएगा कि how big a difference it can make using the STAR framework. Situation number 1.
Okay, so Akhil, tell me about a time when you faced a challenge at work and how did you overcome that challenge?
Yes, sir. During we have dealt with this experience in 2 years back, sir. When I joined and I had to talk to a lot of people. There was a lot of difficulty and I had to tell the development team also to work with me, and so I talked to them to get that clarity how to solve this, and to get that success. I played a huge role, sir, because I talked to the different teams and sought their inputs, and we did the debugging and patch. So yes, sir. So I did have some problems, and I could find the solutions through that collaboration with other people, sir. Okay. So sounds familiar, right? So ये पहला बंदा है जिसने ऐसे आंसर किया. Now, if the same guy has to answer it using the STAR framework, देखते हैं कैसे होगा.
So Akhil, tell me about a time you had to face a challenge and how did you deal with it?
Yes, sir. 2 years ago, there was a situation where we encountered a bug in the software just before the project deadline. So that was the situation, and my task was to identify the root cause of what is the bug and get this solved before the deadline. So that was my task, to identify the root cause. So what I did was, the action that I took is I collaborated with the development team. We did a thorough debugging process, and we actually implemented a patch. So that's how, by collaborating with the development team and other stakeholders, we could identify it through thorough debugging and building a patch. So the result was, we could finally meet the project deadline. Before the deadline, we could deliver it to the client, and thus we achieved our target of meeting it before the deadline, and the project was a success, sir. Okay, boom. So that's how it is done. So आपने ऑब्जर्व किया, जस्ट यूजिंग द स्टार फ्रेमवर्क, उसके दिमाग में उसने ये रिहर्सल किया हुआ है. स्टार क्या है? पहले सिचुएशन, कि उसकी सिचुएशन क्या थी कि इन द लास्ट 2 years ड्यूरिंग माय एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आया था सॉफ्टवेयर में, एंड इसको हमको सॉल्व करना था बिफोर डेडलाइन. दैट वाज द सिचुएशन. टास्क, माय टास्क वाज टू आइडेंटिफाई द रूट कॉज एंड गेट दिस फिक्स्ड बिफोर द डेडलाइन. दैट वाज माय टास्क टू डू द रूट कॉज एनालिसिस. Action, what I did. So I collaborated with the development team to do the thorough debugging analysis and implemented a patch. So that is the action. 4th point, result. As a result, due to my collaboration and my efforts, we could deliver project success. So and we could meet the target and deliver it to the client before the deadline. Hence, it was a project success. So situation, task, action and result. देखा आपने, just using this framework, the answer looks much structured, very well flowed. The other person can properly understand without going haywire, one to and fro. इसमें आपको clarity of thought झलकता है, structure झलकता है, which is very very important in communication skills even during your MBA, summer internships, after your MBA. So just to give you context, Amazon जो कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपनी है, आप अगर Amazon के लिए अपीयर करते हो तो Amazon गिव्स यू अर्लियर, आपको मिल जाएगा कि कैसे आपको इंटरव्यू निकालना है. उनके वेबसाइट पे जाओगे, लीडरशिप प्रिंसिपल्स है, उन्होंने सीधा बोला है कि यू हैव टू यूज स्टार फ्रेमवर्क. सो अंडरस्टैंड द पावर ऑफ स्टार फ्रेमवर्क. और देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस बेटर. इन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल आई विल गिव यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. डू ज्वाइन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्प किया है एंड इफ यू वांट मोर सच वीडियोस, प्लीज लाइक कर दो यार. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर मनी, जस्ट लाइक इट. Example number 2, here goes.
Okay, tell me about a time when you've demonstrated leadership.
Yes, sir. I mean, during college, sir, I haven't particularly led the leadership kind of roles, but sir, I was the group leader in the project, in the final year project, and we had received top marks in the college, and because I was the group leader and I used my effective communication skills, so that every member performs best, and because of that we got top marks from the professor and we received the best award, sir. So yes, I think I have leadership qualities, sir, which I have demonstrated. Okay, now look at the STAR aspirant using the STAR framework. Here goes.
So tell me about a time when you've demonstrated leadership.
Yes, sir, I have been in a leadership role in my college. So I have led the group project, the final group project in my engineering. So my role was to organize team meetings and also delegate tasks as per each individual's strengths, what they are good at, and hence achieve the project timeline, achieve the project results before deadline. So that was my role and responsibility. So through effective communication, sir, and delegating tasks, understanding each person's strength, and I also resolved a lot of conflicts which happened through effective communication. We formed a whole project charter, and ensuring that everybody is motivated towards achieving the common goal of delivering project success. So as a result of which, we got the top marks for our project in the final year project in engineering. And yes, so through collaboration, through demonstrating leadership, I have achieved results in my institute, sir. So boom, that's how it is done. This was a fresher who used their final year project to convey that they have leadership qualities. They did not just convey, they have impressed the interviewer with their structured answer. So आपको अभी समझ रहा है, just getting a call for interview is not enough. You have to use this kind of framework. This is very powerful STAR framework that will make you a star in your interviews, job interview, कोई भी interview. आपको example bonus number 3 देता हूँ. One more situation that will help you. A question around ownership. Here goes.
So Akhil, tell me about a time when you've demonstrated ownership, any of the roles.
Yes, sir. So yes, sir, I have done a lot of activities in college, sir, and through collaboration, again, through team leadership, I have achieved significant results, and that's also mentioned in my CV, sir. And yes, so this was the normal interview answer. Let's see the STAR answer using the STAR framework.
So Akhil, how have you demonstrated ownership in any of
Yes,
the
sir.
roles?
So yes, I have been a core committee member of social welfare group in my college, and yes, that worked for the benefit for the orientation of people coming from underprivileged background, having so low socioeconomic backgrounds, poor English. So our task was to develop initiatives that will cater to these kind of individuals, these students coming in the first year of college, orient them and understand their pain points. So I have been the core committee member. So my task was to identify all the pain points. So we asked a lot of people, we developed initiatives through their pain points, understanding what they need. As a result, we have developed a lot of initiatives like English communication for them, understanding how the CGPA system works during engineering. And we also got all the professors to help us in these initiatives, deliver lectures to these individuals. So through these structured interventions, understanding the pain points, we developed a lot of initiatives, benefiting people coming from such backgrounds directly. And that has helped a lot of individuals for their smooth journey during engineering. So again, आपको आंसर में सीधा सीधा दिख रहा होगा डिफरेंस, अगर आपने ठीक से ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो. द स्टार फ्रेमवर्क, सिचुएशन पहले मेंशन करना है, टास्क, एक्शन, रिजल्ट. कोई कोई क्या करता है, पहले ही रिजल्ट बोल देता है, फिर सिचुएशन, फिर उसने एक्शन, मैंने ये किया था इसलिए ये हुआ, पहले रिजल्ट बोल दिया। ये बिल्कुल इनफेक्टिव है। आपको पहले बताना है सिचुएशन क्या हुआ था, कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है, कब की बात है, सिचुएशन क्या थी। टास्क, आपका टास्क क्या था, आपने क्या किया, नॉट द होल ग्रुप, व्हाट वाज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। आपको ये नहीं बोलना है वी, मेक इट यू फोकस्ड, आई डिड दिस, आई अरेंज दिस, आई कोलैबोरेटेड, आई सजेस्टेड। सो ऑलवेज यूज यू फोकस, नॉट वी, यूज I did this, ठीक है। सिचुएशन टास्क, so that was your task because the other person wants to know आपका contribution क्या था। एक्शन, फिर आपने क्या लिया, ठीक है। आपने सिचुएशन और टास्क आपको ये था, एक्शन आपने क्या लिया, आपने कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी इस्तेमाल की, आपने क्या इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन किया, टीम के साथ काम किया, स्टेक होल्डर के साथ मैनेज किया, आपने प्रोजेक्ट चार्टर बनाया, आपके टास्क क्या थे, ठीक है। ये आपका दिखाएगा कि आप एक्शन ओरिएंटेड हो, बायस फॉर एक्शन है, आप क्या कैसे सोचते हो, आपका क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है या नहीं। सो दैट शोज योर एक्शन। रिजल्ट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सबको देखना है कि भाई सिचुएशन टास्क एक्शन होने के बाद रिजल्ट क्या आया। अगर आपने बस दिखा यस सर थ्रू दिस आई एम गुड दैट, ये सिचुएशन टास्क एक्शन लेके रिजल्ट क्या आया, क्या बेनिफिट हुआ लोगों को, क्या वैल्यू ऐड किया मैंने प्रोजेक्ट में, ग्रुप में, एज अ फ्रेशर, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस ड्यूरिंग वर्क, मैंने प्रोजेक्ट में क्या ऐड किया, रिजल्ट दिखना चाहिए। इट कैन बी परसेंटेज ग्रोथ ऑल्सो, कि 50% इफेक्टिवनेस, सेल्स, आई हैव B2B सेल्स में काम किया है तो आई हैव लेड अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूअर इंस्टीट्यूशंस, 150% ग्रोथ इन न्यू कस्टमर्स, 30% growth in this. So always use percentages to show your growth, and yes, wherever possible. So that helps the interviewer understand the impact that you have created through the results. So I hope this helps you. I'm showing you more examples of STAR frameworks. Have a look at the screen. सो भाइयों बहनों सब दोस्तों, आपको स्टार फ्रेमवर्क अंदर आपके पूरा भर लेना है। मैंने खुद 50 पन्ने स्टार फ्रेमवर्क के बनाए थे। ईच क्वेश्चन हाउ टू आंसर यूजिंग स्टार फ्रेमवर्क। आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर मनी, जस्ट लाइक इट, दैट विल मोटिवेट मी टू मेक मोर सच वीडियोस। प्लीज शेयर इट टू अदर पीपल हु विल बेनिफिट। जॉइन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल बिकॉज ये मैं स्टार फ्रेमवर्क के और एग्जाम्पल्स वहाँ पे डालता रहूँगा। सो येस, स्टे ट्यून्ड। आई होप you do well in your summer internships, in any of the job interviews. Star framework is going to be your go-to framework, and all the best. I wish you great success.